just washed my hair. I literally just got out the shower because I just got in from a run. And oh, is that soap? I'm literally like today years old because I just discovered something that's been out for a hot minute. And I walk past it every time I go grocery shopping, but I never pay it any attention. Bruh, I just used it today. I picked it up for shits and giggles. I was like, you know what? Let me try it because I'm running low on shampoo and I don't feel like going to Target and I'm already here. Let me just pick it up. Baby, every time I grocery shop now shall be a staple. And man, my hair, I wash it only twice. I didn't have to wash it 3 or 4 times to get it to feel the clean that I want it to feel. And OMG. Okay, can I say it like that and shake my head like them people? I still feel it going in there, and it's so funny because it does say tingle shampoo. It wasn't lying. This shampoo, I love it, and this was the first time I used it, and I didn't really expect to like be, you know, wowed like that, but baby, we wowed. We all the way wowed. We all the way wowed. I'm so happy. It's still dripping because I just literally squeezed it and hopped out the shower and put a towel on. That's it. Yeah, so look at me reaching for my glasses. Woo! As far as like my hair so far, I've noticed some thickening in certain areas, like where the hair is loose to where it's just been I guess the demarcation line of where it's locked and where it's not, and it's getting thicker. I've noticed it in a lot of my locks. I guess, you know, that's where it's starting to lock and it's budding. And remember this lock that we were looking at? Look at her. She almost there. Just like right here and right here. And baby, look at that. Oh! She's almost there! I don't even know what to do. And then this one. You see this? Woo-hoo-hoo! She budded. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so happy, you guys, because my edges have been taking forever to bud. Like, and now it's like becoming so apparent. And it only took 10 months. Only took 10 months. And you know what? That's okay, because take your time, darling. I've also come to the conclusion that the locks that, you know, they're like this, they're just not going to get to that point. So I know I told you guys this before, but I think that I'm just gonna have some that's just gonna be the natural gypsy locks, and I'm okay with that. It's not what I was expecting. It's not what I was like hoping for, but baby, be what you want to be. It's okay. And of course, you guys probably have realized that they are touching my shoulders now. Look at that. They touch the shoulders, and I'm not even like trying. Like my head is like straight and they touching the shoulders. So they coming. Look at that. Like some of them are bending because when they touch my shoulder, put my shoulders down. Oh, they still touching. So I still have yet to retwist. It's been, whole place. Had to fix a towel because I was not trying to give y'all that peep show. My mama told me how to hurt people's feelings. We're getting ready to get into June. So 3 months since my retwist. And this is the growth that we're looking at. Do you see that? This is our growth. And this is like all over. I'm super blessed. I'll go to like some random section. I don't know. Here, not this. There we go. Whoa, my new growth. And it's only been about 3 months. I'm planning to wait until July, so like it's like my 1 year anniversary, and I will do it then. I was thinking about having it professionally done, going to the same lady that my sister goes to because she loves her so much, and I think that's what I'm gonna do. And do you see this? This is crazy. It's down between my eyebrows now. Do you see that? That was not there before. Like that's that growth for you. It hangs by my eyebrows. We were like literally like right here or something. I don't know, maybe I'm exaggerating, but I know it was like right here. Now it hangs by itself right here. Oh my gosh, my babies. like a little over a month. I wonder if this is what parents feel like, real life parents who have real life kids, you know, and they watch their kid actually grow up and do things, not just lay down. I don't know. We'll find out when I pop some out on my own, but yeah. So I went to go pick up my dog from the doctor because today she had her annual. And I'm sitting down and I'm like, okay, you know, I'm touching on my hair like I always do. And you know, I love my babies. I somehow think I might have ruined my locks because I came across one of them that really broke my heart, and I'm trying to understand how this shit happened right here. Look at this. You see that? I don't even know how this happened. I don't know if it's always been like that. Like, I guess because I'm freaking out, like I can't really think straight. She back there having her best life. I'm so happy back there. You left the window. You left the window, huh, Mama? She makes me smile in this really sad situation. Like, you guys, I don't know what to do. Okay, so like I was saying, like, I don't even know how this happened. I don't even know how this happened. Like, it looks so healthy, and then all of a sudden I touched the root. I don't know if it's been like this. Enjoying her best life. I don't know if it's been like this or okay, so now that I'm in the house, change my clothes and whatnot, and Nami's eating her banana, I can focus on my panic mode right now. I need to tie something on it so I can just find it right here. Do you see that? Oh my gosh. Like, you can see through this. Maybe I'm just panicking for nothing. But I don't think all this came from this tiny little thing. That just doesn't make any sense. Maybe I'm freaking out for nothing. Maybe I'm freaking out for nothing. I'm going on YouTube.